Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring Bluey and Bingo dance step by step. Let's start drawing. First I draw Bingo, starting with her nose. Then draw her mouth like this. I continue with her big eyes. Then I draw two little eyebrows. I draw her hands like this. Then draw Bingo's tail and her two legs. She is dancing to the music. I draw her two ears. Next to her, I draw Bluey, starting with Bluey's nose. Then I draw her smiling mouth and her teeth. Next, I draw two big eyes. And two eyebrows like this. On her head, I draw two ears. Then I draw her hands. And her legs are dancing. Finally, I draw musical notes like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First, I use dark yellow to paint Bingo's ears. And I color dark yellow around her eyes too. Then I use cream to paint this part. Gray to paint this border like this. Next, I color Bluey's ears blue. And I also color around the eyes blue. Then I use this sky blue marker to paint this part. Light purple to paint this border like this. Dark yellow. Finally, I color musical notes with yellow, orange, green, purple, dark green, pink, and red. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.